Yazi bafethu umculo is not an easy thing, you understand? Because 2 days back or few days back, let me say like that, uBcash or tweet a tweet is it like now like she's feeling like you umculo on all those things, you understand? Because namareason wakho ayifila ngalandlela afila ngayo uyayibona into le like sekemdala isibine wale segaming isibine wale pusha and angeke afikelele kwelize ngafuna ufikela kuyo or angeke abe rich ngendlela afuna ba rich ngayo, even abantu bakhona abakhulumayo ukuthi you'll never reach that level. Nento engayisho bafethi one, as long usaphila emhlabeni, as long usavuka, there's no need ukuthi give up something oyithandayo or something oyibizelwe just because ayikunika into oyifunayo. As long wenza into oyithanda uvuka eksini uyenze lento lena noba ikunika isent, it does matter because somehow it does fulfilling your spirit, it does fulfilling your purpose. Yayibona lento leyo. It's not about uma wenza into uyenzela ukuthi mawube rich or yayibona lento leyo. Uyenzela ukuthi whatever uyithunyela emhlabeni ukwazi uyifulfilla through lento oyenzayo. Yabo, because ama-artists amaningi bafethu they go through a lot. Yayibona lento leyo. As much as I said last video yami lapho ngikhuluma khona ukuthi abantu abaningi batshela ukuthi bongena ku-industry music is all about ubumnandi and all those things. No bafethu, ayikho into oyenza emhlabeni engenayo ubunzima bayo. Trust me, noma yini, everything oyenza ebomini inabunzima bayo and kumele ubunzima bayo. That is why it's very important ukuthi mawuphila emhlabeni wenze exactly lento kumele uyenze. Noba inzima uzokwazi umyana ubunzima bayo. Noba ufila ulow uzokwazi uqhubeka uyenze. Yabo, it's not about ukuthi every time uyenza le mhlezi uhippie no. Even if you like feel abanamhlanje I'm very low ingathi ngangenzi lutho, but uzokwazi ukuyenza kanti because wenza njani uyayithanda. Uyayibona lento le. But mawungayithandi, mawufika low uzovela uyeke. Yabo, because I feel I try my best but lento lena inika la result engifuna is because in that moment wenza into ongayithandi and wenza into ongayibizelwanga and uyenza because wena ufuna ubenefit kuyo lento leyo. Yebo, and then wabese kanjani uSimamizo wabese ke retweeta the same tweet obani uBcash. uSimamizo make retweeta uthi at the age of 25 she thinking ukuthi awuyeke umculo. Yayibona lento leyo. And then into le automatically in my mind I'm like, oh bafethu, nenza umculo and then nifile at a certain age nayiyekela lento lena. Kanti kahle lento lena moyiqalelani? Uyiqala njani into ozoqhubeka makuhamba isikhathi uyiyekele? Uyayibona lento leyo. It means